So in this video I'll be showing you today how to make chocolate cupcakes. Summer is coming on and the kids will be home, and I thought it would be fun if I showed you how I made my chocolate cupcakes. So if you want to see how I made these, follow along. Remember to like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. Bye!
Okay guys, so the full recipe will be in the description box, but you can go ahead and pause this video so you can take down everything on screen. At this point, you want to preheat your oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or that would be 162 degrees Celsius. I also added some melted chocolate to this mixture, so I used chocolate chips and I melted that down with about a tablespoon of butter. You can also leave this out, it's not a must. Also, that was about 1/4 cups of chocolate chips. You can use sweet, semi-sweet chocolate. I think that was milk chocolate that I was using. So go ahead and whisk together your wet and dry ingredients, and you're going to do that until it gets smooth and all of those ingredients are incorporated well. You do not want to overmix your batter because that's actually going to cause too much gluten to release in this batter and make your cupcakes gummy. So avoid overmixing. Now it's time to fill up your cupcake pans. I like to use my measuring cup to do this. You know, I've tried so many other ways and it just always gets messy. So you do your best. So do your best and get these cups full and pop them in the oven. Alright, so our first batch of cupcakes have finished baking up. You want to bake them at least 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them, and you can use a skewer to just test to see if they're done when it comes out clean, just like how you would do with baking a cake. Look how lovely these are. Now on to the next batch. We are going to just take these cuppies out and replace them with some new liners and fill those cups up. Now let's make some chocolate buttercream. I'm gonna be using some pre-made chocolate frosting, and I'm just going to add that to my vanilla buttercream. So that's all to it. Or you could also use melted chocolate milk chocolate, any type of chocolate, just melt it down and add it to your buttercream. So let's go. Scrape it all in, and then you're going to mix that all together until it is evenly combined. Now it's time to check this cupcake out. Look at that. Look how glazy it is on top. I wish you could smell this. It is so yummy and delicious. Look. Alright, so we're gonna break that apart, and you can see it's very fluffy and light. Perfect. It's the perfect treat for these kids, y'all. So you just pair those with some frosting and you're good to go. Okay, so now let's decorate some of these cupcakes. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to make chocolate cupcakes. Easy to put together, easy to decorate. The kids will love it. So thank you again as always for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe when you try it. I will be looking out for those comments. So have a great day and thank you again. Bye.